Hello everybody, it's Mike Bottinger, and I'm going to teach this real quick way that I show beginners how to warm up. A lot of my students that I get are total beginners. Some people, they just literally walk in with a guitar and a box and say, help me, show me how to do this. So, you got to learn how to do one finger at a time, and then you get two fingers going, and then you get three fingers going, stuff like that, real basic stuff. So this is a really good beginning thing. It's called 4. That's what I call it, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's based on what is called chromatic scale, where all the notes are half step apart, half step from there to there. I'm just starting on the number 5 fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the 6th string. Okay, see how it's a beginner thing. You don't even have to learn the letters at first, just the numbers. So that's the 6th string. The thickest string is the 6th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th fret. See? First finger. And then you just go right to the next one, and that's the second note. 1, 2, and then the third note is right next to that. 1, 2, 3. And the fourth note is right next to that. So you just go 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's why it's called 4, see? So there's a way to do that. You're supposed to hold your fingers down as you go up, primarily. And then you go to the very next string, and you do the same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4. Starting from the 5th fret. So it's almost perfectly, but not quite, all half steps. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is a good way to just warm up. And it's a good first goal to get to be able to do that one, all the way down. See, that's 24. Count that. If you're a beginner, it might be just really slow like that. Or you could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And then you're really purposeful, see? You just try to make that a goal to get from 4. 4 times 6 is 24. See if you can get from 4 to 24. There you go. So a beginning way to warm up. It's 4 and it's 24 notes of the chromatic scale. Good way to warm up. Let's see. If you would, please go down and subscribe to this channel and click the bell. And every time there's a new lesson or a new teaching or whatever it may be, or if I review a new product or something, if you hit that bell, then you'll get notified. So that would be awesome. There's also a link down there to buy a Yamaha guitar. It'll go right to Amazon. So that's the kind of guitar I really like. This is mine. I found this one at a yard sale for 20 bucks. It's a cool story. Anyway, if you go to that link, you can buy a new one, of course. This one's from 1959, but they have new ones on there, and good way to get started right there. So thanks for watching. Mike Bottinger signing off. See ya. Subscribe and click and all that stuff. Love you. Bye.